The M66 Max Drone is a professional-grade quadcopter designed for aerial photography and capturing stunning visuals with its 8K dual cameras. Powered by a brushless motor, this drone offers smooth flights and is equipped with radar-based obstacle avoidance to ensure safety and efficiency during flight. Its foldable design makes it easy to transport, while its compact size of 240 grams makes it perfect for anyone who wants to take their drone flying experience to the next level without sacrificing portability. This camera drone features a 2-axis gimbal for stable 1080p HD video recording and clear photos, ensuring professional quality results every time. With a 25-minute flight time and remote control distance of 1,000 meters, the M66 Max Drone is ideal for adventurers, photographers, and drone enthusiasts looking to explore the skies and capture high-quality footage. Key features of the M66 Max Drone: 8K dual cameras capture stunning photos and videos with 2 cameras offering 1080p HD video recording. Brushless motor. The brushless motor provides smooth flight and extended durability even in winds of up to 10 km/h. Radar obstacle avoidance. The radar-based obstacle avoidance system ensures that your drone avoids obstacles during flight, providing added safety. Smart display control. Display control allows you to see the live feed and control the drone using the app controller or remote control. Long-range flight. 1,000 meters remote control range and 25-minute flight time, giving you ample time to explore and capture stunning aerial shots. Lightweight and portable. Weighing only 240 grams, the drone is easy to carry and travel with, making it perfect for on-the-go adventures. 2-axis gimbal. The 2-axis gimbal stabilizes your footage, ensuring clear and smooth video recording, even in motion. Specifications: camera, dual cameras with 1080p HD video recording. Motor, brushless motor for smooth operation and durability. Obstacle avoidance, radar avoidance system. Weight, 240 grams. Camera mount, 2-axis gimbal. Battery, removable replaceable battery with 25 minutes of flight time. Flight distance, 1,000 meters. Camera sensor size, 1x4 inches. Operating frequency, 2.4 GHz. Connectivity, app controller, remote control, Wi-Fi connection. Maximum wind speed resistance, less than 10 km/h. Included in the box: M66 Max Drone, remote controller, charging cable, user manual. The M66 Max Drone is the perfect camera drone for those looking for high-quality aerial photography, advanced features, and portability. Whether you're a professional or an enthusiast, this drone is designed to take your filming, exploration, and flying experience to new heights. With radar obstacle avoidance, 1080p HD video recording, and easy control, the M66 Max Drone delivers exceptional performance in a compact and portable design. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews, unboxings, and flying tips.